Hey guys, happy Thursday. I'm going to make this video right now for you to go over what you need to do today, what's due, and where to find all of your work. I'm making these videos so that they are helpful to you, so please watch them. If you're watching this and you know there are some classmates of yours or friends that are not watching these videos, tell them to watch it. And then if they have a question, watch it again. And then if it's not answered in this video, the second time they watch it and pay attention, then they can ask me. I just feel like I'm making these videos and I'm getting questions every single day that are answered here. So that's why I'm just having that little spiel for a second. But anyway, if you've been watching these every day, thank you. I'm sure you are some of those kiddos that are not asking questions that are answered in all this other material. But anyway, today's Thursday. So what you need to do today for Thursday is go to your daily announcement post where you guys should be checking every single day. So remember, digital learning, not that one, daily announcements, check here every day. And here is your day 19 Thursday post. Click on it, okay? And I'm gonna open it up. Mine just looks a little different from my teacher's perspective, but first things first, go to your morning meeting slide and enter your response there. I have attached the morning meeting slide here. I'm going to start attaching it to this post so that everything's found in one place and you guys don't have to be going around Google Classroom as much as you've been doing so. So morning meeting slide is here. Click on that, enter your response for the day. Then next thing, you need to click on the Thursday, not Wednesday. Sorry, I got to edit so many things. You need to click on the Thursday to-do slide. The new slides where I've been posting like with my Bitmoji and everything, just trying to be a little more fun. So I'm going to click on Thursday's to-do slide. And then I'm going to read everything that I need to do for today. So it says for math today, On-Level Math has a Khan Academy lesson on converting units of time, and they need to do part 2 of it. Advanced Math kids have a Khan Academy lesson as well. It's on dividing whole numbers by decimals. Those are the separate parts. Everyone, though, has to get at least 10 minutes on iReady and their green light on Reflex today. Then for writing, you need to go to your journal entry and write your journal for today. You can either click on this link here and it'll take you to that, or you can go to, let me go back. You can go to Digital Learning Resources Week 4, and there are your writing journals right here. And then click on the writing journal file. And now I have made it so that it makes a copy for every single one of you when you go to it, so no one will be typing on each other's, which is awesome. So make sure you're typing on your own copy and go to Thursday's writing prompt. One too far. Thursday, April 16th, it says write about your favorite summer activity, for example, a fun day at the beach or the pool. And remember, you're typing, it has it in the expectations on the first slide, but you need to have at least 5 complete sentences with capital letters and punctuation. You're typing paragraphs. You're not typing sentences or bullet points. Anyone can do that. That's before 4th grade. For 4th grade, you should know how to type a paragraph now. So that's your writing prompt for today. Back to our slide. So math, writing, and then for reading today, we have reading groups. It's Thursday. So for groups 1 and 2, you need to have read chapter 2 of Hatchet and answer your reading journal questions for chapter 2 before you get on your Zoom today at 1 p.m. Groups 3 and 4, who's reading Bridge to Terabithia, you need to have read all of chapter 1 and also answered the reading journal questions for chapter 1 before you get on for your group at 1:30. Here's the password to get into the Zoom. And then everybody needs to be getting 10 minutes of iReady on reading. Now, you guys are probably thinking, Miss Fabula, this is very new. I know how to get on Zoom and I know I'm supposed to read these chapters, but where are these reading journal questions? So if you need to know where those are, you're going to go back to our Google Classroom and classwork, Digital Learning Resources Week 4, and right underneath your writing journal, you will have your book club journals. Ooh, excuse me. You can find them for both groups right here. Groups 1 and 2, this is the link to the book Hatchet if you need to find that, and groups 3 and 4, your book can be found at this link, Bridge to Terabithia, or I have created an Epic account for you and use my class code for that. And then what you need to do is go and open up your group's book club journal. So let's just say you're reading Hatchet, click on the Hatchet one obviously, and then go to chapter 2, because chapter 1 we did as a whole group on Tuesday. So go to chapter 2, right here. There's 4 questions. You can answer them like this. You could say, question 1, type your answer here, complete sentence. Question 2, same thing, okay? That is what you're supposed to be doing and having done before your reading group, so that when reading groups start, you can pull up your answers and be ready to discuss, okay? So that's for the Hatchet Book Club. If you're reading Bridge to Terabithia, you just click on that file, and since you guys have to read chapter 1, so again, you got to pay attention to which book your group's reading and which chapter you're reading. It's posted everywhere, but this group is doing chapter 1, so then they will go to chapter 1's questions and type their answers there as well, okay? I hope that this video was helpful to you. Remember that you can find it on my YouTube, and I will also have it linked in my Bitmoji on this slide. All right? Hope to see you all on, not hope to, I have to see you all on our reading Zoom today. So groups 1 and 2, I will see you at 1 p.m. and groups 3 and 4, I will see you at 1:30. Make sure you've read your chapters and questions. Bye, guys.